How to use TalkU. You can download TalkU either in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then create your account by putting your phone number in it. Now, the whole point of the app is to give you a second phone number that you can use. This is the biggest reason why people use TalkU instead of WhatsApp, for example. Let's go to the Me section here, and here it says get your first phone number. Then tap See All, and then here you can choose whatever number you want. I'm gonna go to the United States, and now we can enter a US area code or city, Detroit, and from here I can choose a phone number. Let's choose this one. Oh, no, this one. And then let's continue. $5 a month to own an American phone number from whatever place you're at. It's a pretty good deal, actually. Now, making calls. If the other person also uses TalkU, you can call them through TalkU, because TalkU says calls, texts between TalkU users are free. So you don't necessarily need credits just because you're making a call. However, if the person doesn't use TalkU, you can still call them. This is the biggest advantage that TalkU has over WhatsApp and Viber, and because if you want to call someone through those apps, you need the other person to also have the app. In TalkU, it doesn't need to be the case. Now, what are credits? Credits are not money you can withdraw. They're TalkU's virtual currency. You can use them for things like calls and texts outside the free TalkU to TalkU network. So for example, 100 credits will potentially be 100 minutes to a destination, costing 1 credit per minute. And you get credits for free by using the app daily. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.